Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tips and Tricks with Renaissance Tech. My name is Alex Folks. Today we're going to be highlighting the integration between CPQ and Cloud Suite Industrial, or Syteline for some of the older users out there. So starting out within the CSI application, I'm at the Estimate Job Order form. So I've created my job number. I've selected my item of heavy equipment, which is our excavator we'll be configuring today, and then I need to choose my start date. So once I click Save, our configuration button should highlight here, and now we can jump right into the configuration window. So starting out with our base model of the excavator, we're going to make a few selections to highlight what excavator we need to get shipping today. So now I've selected my base model. As always, we have our summary tab over here with all the selections we've made and what is not selected so far. And then we have our pricing tab, which will populate as we go through. And then we have our static images, also can support 2D and 3D imaging as well. So back to this quickly, I want to jump into one thing we've built right into our configuration to show some of the flexibility of the configurator itself. So for our excavator, we are a Midwest company and we're choosing where this excavator is going. But what we've done, instead of setting prices for different locations for each customer, we have our reps able to come in and choose the price list they'll be working with based on the geographical location of the customer. So for instance, this customer today is located in California on the West Coast. So we'll be using our price list C to dedicate our West Coast pricing. So as we can see here, our price is $11,400. When we move that over to the West Coast pricing, we'll see the cost has gone up based on what we need to do to get that excavator there. So from here, I'm going to finish up the rest of our selections. If you'll notice from the red exclamation points, these are all required fields needed to move on to our next steps. So I'll go through and highlight a few more selections here. And as we're going to move through, we're going to jump into adding a bucket to our excavator here. So I'm going to click right here, click the continue button. This will move us to our next tab. So from the attachment, we know we need a bucket for our excavator. And we're going to be mainly hauling dirt with this, so we're going to need our cleanup bucket. So from here, I make my selection. We can go through and finish up if there are any last items we need to add. And then lastly, for our customers, are there any special instructions, any unique things that we need to know about this excavator and getting it to their shop? Well, they've told us that they want this shipped as a complete unit. So we can add that right into our note, and this will be passed along right to our production team and know not to ship this excavator in pieces. So from here, we'll continue on. And then we've noticed our finish button has came up, so all of our selections are done. All of our pricing is there, and we can see we have our excavator model chosen. So from here, we'll click the Finish tab, and this will take us back into our Estimate Job Order tab. From here, we can go back into that job and push that right into production. If you'd like to learn more about how CPQ can integrate with your Infor product family, or you'd like to make ordering your complex products faster and easier, please reach out to us below. As always, thanks for watching.